that when you grow up, you will be happy to say that I am your mom because I will always be here for you. I love you very much, my Hannah Potjin. Happy birthday! Each and every one of you. Thank you po for the gift of time na binigay niyo sa family po namin. Enjoy the day po and enjoy the food. To my daughter, Hannah, you are a constant reminder of God's unchanging love and immense grace in my life. You are one of God's greatest blessings in my life. I hope that I had been a good mom to you since the day you were born. Happy first birthday, Anna.
Happy birthday, Hannah. May the Lord bless you, the Lord keep you as you grow, and more blessings sa iyong family at sa iyong buhay.
Johanna Audrey, ngayon first birthday mo, and masayang masaya kami na nagse-celebrate ngayon ng iyong kaarawan. Ngayon din ang iyong dedikasyon sa Panginoon para ikaw ay maging isang Kristiyano.
Now, Lord, sa oras po ito, we dedicate, Lord, Johanna Audrey Pacheco to you, Lord God. Bless you po siya, ingatan siya, Panginoon, ang kanyang buhay, sa kanyang paglaki, kasama po ng kanyang mga magulang.
Gagawin ko ang lahat para maging mabuting ama para sa iyo. Ganon din sigurado ang iyong mami. Mahal na mahal kita, Johanna Audrey. Happy birthday. I love you so much.